that where we're climbing? Oh man. The beauty of the mountains. The mountains look stunning and beautiful. All in a stunning 1000-bit rate. I can't hear nothing. I've lost my hearing, Joel. Joel, I lost my hearing. They're supposed to give us headphones. Yeah, we didn't get shit. That was so fucking stressful, man. But we made it, we're good. I can't fucking believe it. Alright. Let me tighten my pants. Joel, you hold it for a sec. I gotta tighten my pants. My dick almost came out. No underwear.
No underwear.
Let's see, this is a nice little village. And off he goes. That guy's just flying back and forth. He must love his job. Yo, what up, dude? Dude, Mount Everest Airport? Dude. They're fucking, what is it, planting cabbages? Oh, man. What? Dude. All right, finally. Thank God that helicopter was so fucking loud. Holy fucking shit, dude. Is this the airport? Oh my God. This airport looks so fucking scuffed. Hold on, whoa. Where do we go? Do we go in here? What the hell? Is that the airport? They were gonna F this out of building, to be honest. Maybe not. Hey, what's up? What do we do? Where do we go?
You go from here. This side.
Inside?
No, you want to go outside?
Yeah.
From here. From here, then you go straight.
Go this way?
Yeah.
Alright. What about our bags?
Bags? This way.
Where do we meet the Sherpa?
Sherpa means do you have a guide or something?
Yeah, guide. Where is he?
Do you have any contact number?
No.
Means did you book previously or
Yeah.
Book now?
No, I booked previously, yeah.
Previously, then you'll have to contact her, contact him.
Must have been nice wearing those earphones, huh? You wear headphones.
Yeah.
Must have been nice. I'm fucking deaf. Alright.
You're from?
America. From Texas. I'm here to climb Mount Everest.
Really?
Yeah.
Best of luck.
Yeah, hopefully I don't end up dying.
Oh no, you won't die.
Yeah, hey.
Stay positive,
Thank you. I'm always positive,
Yeah.
bro. Alright, well.
Thing you should get in mind.
Where did you go?
Yeah.
Our bags are right here. We take our bags?
Yeah, you can take your bag. It's okay.
So, other luggage is stored at the hotel?
I left my luggage at the hotel. Where did you leave your luggage?
There is
Luggage? You didn't put your towel?
okay?
Alright, well. Alright, we'll see you later, man. Have fun. Alright. Hey, what's up? Did you climb Mount Everest?
No, I did not.
Base camp?
Yeah.
How was it? I'm about to do it.
Yeah, there's no problem all of that.
Was the hotels nice?
Pretty low.
How about that cell service?
Gork definitely is got a place everyone can stay in.
It's what?
Gork chef.
It's what?
Not a place I'd ever like to stay in again.
Oh, you hated it.
Yeah.
Why?
Very basic.
But do they have cell phone service?
I just really use the Wi-Fi everywhere.
No. I'll figure it out.
I'm not sure about the what that was in service, but they have Wi-Fi everywhere.
Okay, why everywhere? Okay. Even when you're walking?
Well,
Okay, well, by the time we get to GreekGodX, to be honest, I don't blame him. All right, well, see you later. Yeah. Yeah, documentary, yeah. All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Yeah, by the time we get to GreekGodX, that's the town right before base camp. I mean, to be honest, if we don't have cell phone service there, it's okay. It's whatever. It's only for 6 hours, and then we get to base camp, and then there's a tower there. Where the fuck do we go? I mean, GreekGodX is like the most dog shit place I've ever seen in my life. I looked it up. It looks like absolute dog shit. Are you the Sherpa? Is it you? Are you the guy bringing me up Mount Everest?